Let's practice with me the exercises that bring balance to your eyebrow, your cheeks, and your lower face. Okay? For the weaker side of the eyebrow, you place your hands on the stronger side. Rest on it. Stabilize this side. Don't let it move. Keep the eyebrow on the stronger side stable. Don't move. Okay? Then raise the eyebrows of your weaker side as high as possible. But don't wrinkle your forehead, okay? Just raise the eyebrow. Try not to wrinkle your forehead. Okay? Second one for your cheeks. If you have the weaker side of your cheeks, place your hand on the stronger side. Then try to engage only the left side, the weaker one, okay? It's a little difficult. You have to connect your mind on the mouth corner and the cheeks area. It's like you're smiling up to one side. Try to relax the stronger side. Okay? 10 times. Practice make perfect. You have to practice more every day. You move a little bit more. Every day, your muscles will be stronger and stronger. Okay? Last exercise is for the mouth corner. You get a pencil or a chopstick. Okay? Place in the middle of your teeth. Not showing your lower teeth, but the upper teeth. Okay? Okay, hold it for 20 seconds and repeat 2 more times. Yeah, hope it helped. Practice it daily to receive the best result. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more natural beauty tips.